Hey everybody, it's Mrs. G, and it is Friday, September 22nd. I apologize for the lateness of this video. However, my other video decided not to record. So some of my pages are already established here, but I wanted to show you what I need you to do for Monday. So boys and girls, you have this compare and order decimal page that I just sent in the email. Please print it out and cut out all the pieces. The only thing I ask, when you cut off the equal sign, do not cut on the dashes. Leave it a long piece like you see here. Okay? Go ahead and cut that and come on back to the video. So hit pause and come back. Okay, now that you're back and you have your pieces cut out, I want you to tape Comparing and Ordering Decimals to page 14 of your interactive notebook. Tape it up top, and then tape your note box that says to compare decimals. Tape that also to the left-hand side of your page. Now, this is your pocket. I'm going to show you how to make that in just 1 second. So hit pause, tape what you need to the notebook, and then come on back. All right, boys and girls, so now you have your pocket. All right, you very simply have that cut out. You're going to fold along the dotted line. So turn it upside down, put your fingers where you see the dotted line, make a little crease, and then bend accordingly. Okay, so now I folded it, and I see my flaps on the side. Okay, see those flaps? I'm going to fold these flaps as well right along the dotted line. I fold it over on the back side of the envelope. Fold it again. So I folded both flaps. So now I have an envelope that looks just like this one. To make sure that it stays shut, I'm going to flip it over, take a piece of tape, and I'm going to make sure that both flaps are taped down. Now I'm ready to glue. So go ahead and fold that, hit pause, and then come back to the video. All right, everybody, so now you have your envelope. All you need to do is put a little bit of glue, not too much, turn it over, and stick it right on the right side of your notebook there. Go ahead and do that. When it dries, come on back to the video. Next, you have your equal sign. Now, your equal sign isn't going to sit this way. It's going to sit this way. You want to fold on the dotted line. So, again, use your finger. Fold on the dotted line. Fold, fold. Make sure it's folded, just like that. Once you have it folded, hit pause if you need to. Come on back. Once you have it folded, open it up. Take your finger, put it on top of the equal sign, turn over the sheet, the paper, and put a little tiny bit of glue right there on the back side of the equal sign. Turn it over, stick it down on the paper. Go ahead and do that and hit pause. All right, now you already have your equal sign adhered to the paper. Now you want to get your greater than and your less than sign. So fold it back up, and you'll see what I did here. On the top piece that flaps down, I want you to put the greater than sign. Go ahead and do that. Hit pause. For the bottom piece, flap up, give it the less than sign. I'm sorry, I said that backwards. Forgive me. This is the less than sign, and then the one going up, that is the greater than sign. My apologies. So the one that comes up is the greater than sign. The one that goes down is the less than sign. So you've probably already figured out what we're going to use it for. If you said we're going to use it as a way to practice comparing our decimals, absolutely. So these decimal cards that you have here, we're going to practice as a group on Monday, and your students can practice with you at home. There's no limit to how you can use this because, parents, you can write more decimals on the back side. You can make some up, and you can play with your student to help them identify when a decimal is greater than, less than, or equal to another decimal. So what we'll do is on Monday, we'll put different cards, and we'll decide, is 2 977 thousandths less than, greater than, or equal to 25 1/1000th. And hopefully kids will be able to identify and say, well, in this case, 2 977 thousandths is less than 25 1/1000th. We're going to have some fun with it, but we're also going to do some learning. Students are also going to be asked to complete the other side of their journal, and we'll do that on Monday. So, now that you've attached everything in your book, you're ready to go on Monday. Make sure you take your nice little decimal cards, put them in your handy-dandy envelope, and have a great weekend. See you Monday. Don't forget to have your page completed. Bye, boys and girls.